2018 A5 accompanies some imperative dynamic security highlights, yet holds the extra well-being nets for the best model. Audi outfits each 2018 A5 with a portion of the present dynamic security highlights and makes others accessible as choices. Government and free analyzers have given the Roadster and Sportback body styles high stamps, which is the means by which we landed our score of 8 out of 10. Government analyzers have just said something regarding one form of the A5, the hatchback that Audi calls the A5 Sportback. It earned a 5-star general rating, which incorporates 4 stars in the frontal crash test. The IIHS rates the Sportback and the car a top safety pick. Standard security hardware incorporates the typical exhibit of airbags, in addition to double front knee airbags, a rear-view camera, and forward crash alerts. With person-on-foot discovery and programmed crisis braking, cabriolets do not have the generally standard side drapery airbags yet include bigger side airbags and fly-up roll bars that convey when a rollover is imminent. Premium Plus models include front and back stopping sensors and blind side screens with raised cross activity alarms. A driver assistance bundle is offered just for the prestige models. It includes versatile voyage control, dynamic path control, and programmed high pillars. Outward vision is very great in cars and sportbacks, however obstructed with the best in the cabriolet. Audi gives the A5 more dynamic security design for 2018, including forward impact admonitions with programmed crisis braking, raised cross movement alarms, and dynamic path control. All A5s are all around prepared, with highlights, for example, cowhide seats, programmed atmosphere control, Audi's MMI infotainment framework, and encompassing inside lighting. Choices incorporate Root, a Bang & Olufsen sound framework, Audi's cutting-edge virtual cockpit computerized instrument bunch, versatile dampers, and 4G LTE information administrations with a Wi-Fi hotspot.